To index new pages on Google Search Console is extremely easy if you follow the steps. For this example, we have created a piece of content on WordPress, and we're going to publish the content. Once you have published the content, copy the URL. Back on Search Console, you will pick the correct property and go to URL inspection. Here you will paste in the content you have just created. Once you hit request indexing, Google is going to send out the crawl spiders to crawl your website to index it. And this is exactly how easy it is to index pages that you have just created on Google Search Console. And another way to index newer pages faster is through internal links. What you want to do is add internal links to your newer pages from a well-established pillar page where the content has already been indexed. It has already been discovered by the search engine. The search engine will crawl those links to discover those newer pages. This is new to you. Be sure to watch this video next on how to add internal links on your pages.